Number 2, measure what matters. We ran our business on the OKR framework. I learned this at Techstars, which you're going to learn later how impactful accelerators were for our businesses and how they helped guide us and strategically grow our companies. But again, when the pandemic happened and I couldn't see what people were doing every single day in our office, I had to really get clear on what their objectives were, what their key results were, and measure them against their key results. And I tell every entrepreneur, you can look at whatever strategic framework you want. There's EOS, Traction by Gino Wickman. You're going to see in a lot of these courses, I'm going to reference books and I'll share links to all of them and you can go and buy them and read them. But EOS is a really popular one as well, but we never used it. I didn't like the analogies. OKRs were very straightforward for me. It allowed me to measure, keep a pulse on my employees, and ensure that they were being productive and doing what I needed them to do, even though I couldn't see them every single day. That's number 2. And the Bible, I think it's sitting here in my library behind me, but measure what matters. It is absolutely critical for your business to continue to grow and to give you as the CEO or the lead entrepreneur in your business the peace of mind to run your business successfully. So that's it.